In this guide, we're going over all of the brand new raid locations here in Bizarre Lineage's brand new update. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the bus stop is going to be your best friend for this, so go ahead and make your way over to any of the bus stops, interact with it, and once you are at the bus stop, the first one that you're going to want to go to is bus stop 8 right over here, and this is going to include the Death 13 raid. Once you get here, simply just go ahead and head west all the way past this little boss right here, and you can see where it says raid. That is the NPC that you're looking for the Death 13 raid. Moving on to our next one, we have the Prison Escape raid, and this one is dangerous to go over so far, just because every time I go over in this location, some other player starts hitting me, I'll be honest. So just keep that in mind. Head to bus stop 1 though. Once you're at bus stop 1, you really just need to head southeast. If you run past all these guys and run past the Cura raid right here, kind of where this guy's jumping around is going to be this raid location. As you can see, it's right here. That's where you're going to want to go. Now, there's one other raid that was included in this update. It is actually the World Over Heaven raid. To get here, interact with the bus stop again. And of course, once you interact with it, this time you're going to bus stop 18. Once you're at bus stop 18, you essentially need to run forward a little bit and then head northeast. But really, you're going more east. So essentially, once you make your way here, don't go straight. Run right up here, past this boss, and essentially you want to go over to where like these big little pillars are over there. It's a little bit of a run, I'll be honest with you, but the location's right there and you can see that raid boss NPC right there. But yeah, that is all of the raids here in this brand new Bizarre Lineage update. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.